Wednesday, everyone. Welcome to Longarm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here. We're working on our scrappy adventure from June. It was Mountains or Majestic Mountains pattern, but I called it Life's Path because, you know, it was, to me, that was representing Life's Path. So what I did, this was actually when I cut the blocks, I cut two. I made one square for the back and one became the blocks for the front. So if you want to check out the video or the live stream of that, that would be fantastic. Hopefully we'll put a little linky-loo somewhere in there. We're just going to finish stitching it up. We have shooting stars being stitched on it with a light gray thread. This was number 6 in our scrappy adventure. And the one behind me was number 5. That's May, with the big, huge pixelated heart to represent Mother's Day, my mom's birthday. You know, all those things that, you know, bring me love, you know, and joy and stuff like that. So, yeah. Just finishing it up. It's almost there. And then we'll show you the big reveal. I was a little shy, and with the pins trying to get that, so I had to add a little fudge there to help it out. It just became just enough. Definitely using all the fabric on that one. So it becomes a 2 quilts in 1. It's an 8-inch square for the back, and then the other ones became 7.5 by 6-inch block. So it was 2 half square triangles laid on top of each other, and then just sliced every 2 inches. So it must have been 8. Anyways. And then it just becomes this lovely little pattern as you switch around the pieces. This Queen of Quilts fabric is so cute. Everybody wants to be a beach bum, don't they? Hang it out to flip-flops, at the beach hut, having fish and chips, look at sand castles. It's got a couple of swirls and 2 stars left. And then we're good. We get to show you what it looks like. Hope you're all having a great day. We appreciate your time here at the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop. Thank you for gifting it to us. Oh, star and a swirl. I'll clamp the other side. All right, out there, lock our stitches. Okay, pop you right up there. It's such an easy pattern to come together, and there's very many layouts that you could do in regards to putting that one together. So. Oh, actually, I guess I'm unpinning today. I didn't unzip. All right, well, in a moment. We'll come back to you in a second once I get it unpinned. Now, here is this beautiful Life's Path project from June. Oh, hold on, I'm trying to get it on the other side there. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? It turned out so lovely. And then the whole, it's another whole quilt on the back because of the squares. When we might as well cut 2. If you're cutting 2, you know, or you're cutting 1, you might as well cut 2. So it became a whole other quilt. So it's like a 2-for-1, the back and the front. Thank you if you came along with this journey. We really appreciate it. Your time means a lot. So take care, and we'll see you on the next one, okay? All right, be good.